More than 5 centuries ago, in the northwest of the Iberian Peninsula, an institution was born with a mission that remains as relevant today as it was then, to create knowledge that transforms society. The University of Santiago de Compostela has spent more than 5 centuries educating generations of professionals, researchers, and leaders. It's a university open to the world, committed to excellence, innovation, and knowledge transfer. A place where tradition is not a destination, but the driving force to keep moving forward. And it's precisely from this forward-looking perspective that we would like to extend an invitation. An invitation to Lugo, one of the USC2 campuses, because there are cities you visit and there are cities you experience. For more than 2,000 years, Lugo has been in dialogue with history. Its Roman wall, unique in the world for preserving its entire original perimeter, encircles a city that has grown without losing its essence, and its feet flow the Minho River, shaping a landscape where nature and heritage coexist in harmony. But Lugo is much more than its history. It's a welcoming, approachable, human-scale city, a place where distances are short, conversations are long, and there is always time to share an idea, an experience, or a project. Perhaps that is why it's also the perfect place for us to come together. Lugo is home to Campus Terra, the first specialized campus in the Galician university system, a place where research and innovation are focused on some of the great challenges of our time: sustainability, the bioeconomy, smart management of natural resources, and balanced territorial development. Here, knowledge does not remain within the walls of a laboratory. It reaches out to society. It becomes solutions, technology, and opportunities to build a better future. At the heart of Campus Terra stands the School of Engineering, a school that has spent decades educating engineers capable of addressing the challenges of an ever-changing world. A place where engineering is understood as a tool to improve people's lives, drive innovation, and create a real impact on the territory. A vision shared by the Enxeñaría and Proyectos area, with 4 years has been working in research, education, and knowledge transfer related to project management and project leadership. Many of you we know are already familiar with Lugo, because in 2007 the city hosted an AEIPRO conference that left a lasting impression. 20 years later, we take up that legacy with the same enthusiasm and with an even greater experience. That experience is also reflected in PROePLA, a competitive reference research group recognized by the regional government of Galicia and one of the most established research teams in national and international projects related to sustainable development, natural resource management, territorial planning, and applied innovation. A team accustomed to building bridges between research, institution, and society, because the great challenges of our time require teams capable of connecting disciplines, people, and ideas. And that is precisely what AEIPRO represents: a community that shares knowledge to move forward, that transforms experience into opportunity, that turns every meeting into the starting point for new projects. That is why today we would like to invite you to continue writing this story together, to meet again in a city that looks to the future without forgetting its roots, to share knowledge in an environment where engineering, innovation, and territory engage in dialogue every day. To discover Lugo, to discover Campus Terra, to build together the next chapter of AEIPRO. See you in 2027. See you in Lugo.